I think they are wrong because when we did our evidence, we added the 25 grams with, we added in our measurements, not in the test tube, but with our measurements, we added the 25 grams with the salt. So we did add the salt into the equation, like into the math equation, and we with
that maybe in your figuring out what the total mass was, maybe you just didn't put the salt, 0.5 grams of salt into your equation, and maybe that threw you off somehow.
making it an increase.
Well, I think the reason why we kept getting increased was because, well, my prediction was that since you're starting with regular water and adding something to it, my prediction was that it was going to automatically increase. And that's why I stand by my answer and believe that it increased each time. Now what you're saying is because we took the salt out of the equation. Are you saying this because when we did this, it was first we did put the water on the scale inside of the test tube,
Yeah.
25 milliliters, and then we put the 5 grams of salt and shook it up. All right, we added that there. What do you mean by not
Okay,
adding
okay.
it?
What you're saying is that with the test tube and the water, you added that. That was your first measurement, correct?
No, my first measurement was the water in the test tube by itself.
Okay, where is the salt
Okay.
going in that equation?
No, first we did that, and
Okay,
then
yeah, but where's the salt in that equation, the first equation? You have to add the salt into that.
not first.
Not in the water, I'm saying, but into that equation, there has to be, you have to be adding the weight of the salt. Because then that changes your data.
Yes, but when we did it by itself, and then we added the salt, when you subtract it, you also get the salt with it.
Yeah, but when you're subtracting your data from like the two equations that you receive, which is the first equation is the water, from what we have, the water plus the salt plus the mass of the test tube with the stopper. Your equation is the water plus the test tube and stopper mass subtracted from the water-salt mixture with the test tube and stopper.
Yes.
Where is your salt going in the first equation?
Why does that need to go to the first equation?
Because
Because
if you're,
it changes your whole set of data if you include it.
you have to include it in your first equation.
Well, we think that it changes your whole set of data if you include that, and we think that that's probably why you got an increase and you got a decrease.
Okay. So say we did add the salt to the first equation.